Hello and welcome to Azure Wala YouTube channel. We are in part 86 of Microsoft Certified Associate series. So far we have completed 148 questions in previous videos. Today we are going to look into question number 149 and question 150. Question 149. You have an Azure storage account named Storage1 that stores images. You need to create new storage account and replicate the images in Storage1 to new account by using object replication. How should you configure the new account? First question is what type of account it should be, and the second question is object type to create in new account. Let's understand this by going to learn.microsoft.com. We are in documentation site of the Microsoft and on the object replication for block blobs page. We'll scroll down. Object replication asynchronously copies block blobs between a source storage account and destination account. Therefore, the accounts which can store block blobs can be replicated. Let's scroll down. So here it is showed that how the replication works. The blob files asynchronously replicates to destination account. Let's discuss about the prerequisites and caveats for object replication. The change feed must be enabled on the source account. This is one of the requirement. Second requirement is blob versioning must be enabled. However, it is not asked in the question. And here if you see, the object replication is supported for general purpose V2 storage accounts and premium block blob accounts. Both the source and destination accounts must be either general purpose V2 or premium block blob accounts. Further, object replication supports block blobs only. Append blobs and page blobs aren't supported. Let's go back to question. Therefore, answer for the first statement, which is the account type, would be storage 2 or general purpose V2 account or blob storage only. These both support block blobs. Therefore, this is the answer for first statement. For the second statement, object type to create the new account, definitely in blob storage or storage V2. To store the block blobs, we would require the containers. Therefore, container is the correct answer. Let's go to next question. Question 150. You have an Azure subscription that contains the storage accounts shown in the following table. Storage 1 is the first storage account and storage 2 is the second storage account. Both have Active Directory authentication enabled. The content of storage 1 account is a blob container named container 1 that has a public access level of no public access. Therefore, it is not publicly available. The content of storage 2 account is a file share named share1. You plan to use azcopy to copy a blob from container 1 directly to share1. You need to identify which authentication method to use when you use azcopy. What should you identify for each account? Therefore, we need to identify the authentication for storage 1 account, which is the source account, and authentication method for storage 2 account. Let's go to documentation site of the Microsoft to understand it better. We are in documentation site of the Microsoft and on the get started with azcopy page. We'll scroll down. We are on authorize AZ copy section, and here we can see for storage type. In question, storage 1 account is blob storage account, therefore it can use Azure Active Directory or shared access signature authentication method. And the storage 2 account is file storage type, therefore it can use shared access signature authentication. Let's go back to question. Therefore OAuth is not the correct answer, anonymous is not the correct answer, storage account access key is not the correct answer for storage 1 and storage 2. For both, we can use shared access signature token to authenticate. However, for storage 1, we could have used Active Directory as well, but that choice is not provided here in the question. I hope this video was informative for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.